Yeah, good evening, guys. Am I audible and can you all see the screen and video? You all can use the chat forum to confirm. Is all good? Is everything is clear? Can see, can hear? I just wanted to get the confirmation, guys, while doing in case if there's any problem. Can't be adjusting again and again. Yes, can see, can hear, right? Okay, guys. So all good, perfect. Okay. Yeah. So enough, guys. Okay, enough confirmation. Yeah. Okay, guys. So initially, I just wanted to welcome you all for our accounting class for 2026 A level. Okay, so some of you all might be attending my classes for the very first time, or else some of you all would have already attended for my O level seminars or classes or anything. Okay, so I just wanted to introduce myself as the initial thing. So you all know under whom you all are gonna study. You all know who is lecturing right now. So all those things you all should know before attending the class or anything. So I just wanted to introduce myself, guys, as the initial thing. So myself, Huzam Sahadh, guys, I'm done with my double AT and past finalists of double AT, and currently reading chartered accountancy corporate level. And also I did my A levels very recently. Very recently I did my A levels. And also, guys, if I wanted to talk about my teaching career, it's not the initial year which I'm doing as my teaching. So almost for the past 3 years I'm doing the teaching, and also for the advanced level this is here my second batch. So already my 2025 batch classes are started. So this is my second batch for the advanced level. So that's a brief introduction on myself, guys, because I see many messages here asking the messages and all those things. That's it. I just wanted to introduce myself as the initial thing, as and also I can see many names out here who are already in my part of my classes during their OLs. And of course there are many names which I come across as a new name. So guys, so I hope you all are okay, and I hope you all can hear me and see the screen, right? Some people are like not audible. Kya? Guys, is the sound is clear? Some people are like, say it's not audible. Okay. Yeah, it's clear, right? Yeah, guys. So anyone who have that issue with the sound and all those things, guys, what you all can do is you all can just leave the meeting and then you all can join back. Okay, guys. And also, can you all give me 2 minutes? I'll start soon after the azan is over. I'll give you all the 2 minutes, guys. Give me 2 minutes. I'll quickly continue soon after the azan is over. Okay. You all don't want to leave anything. You all can just stay in the meeting itself. Yeah, guys, so the meeting is completely full with 100 participants. So the thing is, in case if anyone leave the meeting in case of a coverage issue or anything, you all will not be able to join back the meeting. In case if anyone leave the meeting only, you all will be able to join back. So what I thought of, I just wanted to telecast it through the YouTube also. So I get many messages through WhatsApp, guys. As some people couldn't join the meeting, Kela. So guys, can you all give me around just around 5 to 10 minutes? You all don't want to leave. If you all leave, you all will not be able to join sometime. So I'll just try to telecast through the YouTube also, guys. So YouTube guys. So some people who wanted to join, they can join through the YouTube. You all can just hold on, guys. I didn't expect it will reach for the 100. If not, I would have done any arrangement before itself. No worries, guys. Anyways, we can do something quickly. Give me 10 minutes, guys. I'll just quickly do anything and just do arrangement for the students who are messaging through WhatsApp. Let me make any arrangements and come back quickly, guys. You all don't want to leave with the meeting. You all can just stay here itself. Okay. All right. Hold on, guys. All right, guys. Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. The issue is going on still. The participant level is 100. Okay. So what I want to tell you all, guys, is please don't leave the meeting. In case if you all leave, and if in sometimes there are possibilities where you all will not be able to join back. Still there's an option, guys. I'll be soon after the class is over. I'll be uploading this recording to the YouTube, where you all can check the recording through YouTube also. Okay. So today's class and the 25th class, which I'm gonna do in the next, not the next week, the week after, I'll be uploading both the recordings to the YouTube, guys, where it is a free classes name. So I'll be uploading it to the YouTube directly. So in case if you all couldn't join the live session, no worries or no issues at all, guys. Still you all will be able to watch the recording and cover the things perfectly. Okay, guys. So are you all ready to study? Let's shall we start the thing today? Okay. So all this time that participant thing and all those things were going on, guys, I couldn't focus on this much. Are you all ready, guys? Shall we start? A quick confirmation from the people out here. Yes, yes, all good, perfect. Okay, fine. I get some comments related to the O level now. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So, all right, let's kickstart. What are we supposed to do today? So, we have a plan today, guys. We have a target today to do those things. So, let me quickly give you all a brief idea. What are we gonna do today? Okay, let me give you all a brief idea. What are we gonna do today? And also, guys, I'm not gonna stress much into the content today. I'm not gonna force much into the content today, guys. Today will be an introduction class. Today will be an introduction, guys, where it will not be a kind of a calculations or anything, guys, where it will be going in a smooth way. Yeah, it will be going in a smooth way where you will be familiar with the subject, where you will be learning some things, where yeah, where you will be learning some techniques. What are you all supposed to do in the upcoming classes? How we all should study? What you should do mainly for the accounting? How to achieve an A pass? So those things we'll slowly talk one by one, guys. And also remember, it's not gonna be a complete content today, guys. We'll be talking as an introduction some main things which you all should know before knowing about the subject. Okay, before knowing or before learning the subject, you all should know some things, guys. So those things I'll let you all know one by one related to the paper structure and all those things. There's a plan today for us to do. Okay, guys. So let me quickly give you all a brief idea what are we gonna do today. Okay, let me give you all a brief idea that what are we gonna do today. Okay, so first we will be talking about the syllabus, guys. Okay, first we will be talking about the syllabus. Okay, first we will be talking about the syllabus, and then we will be talking about the paper structure, which is one of the main thing. Okay, yeah. And also, guys, if you take the advanced level, you have mainly three subjects. The paper structure of the three subject is different from one to another. Accounting paper structure is different from economics. Economic paper structure is different from business studies. So we'll be talking about the specific paper structure for the accounting. Okay, we'll be talking about the paper structure for the accounting, and then we will be going into the content, and we will be going a bit into the content, and we will be talking what's our plan. Okay, what are we gonna do? Okay, you people are gonna do the exams in 2026. So till then, what are we gonna do? What's our target? What's our aim? What are we gonna do in our classes and all those things? I'll be giving you all a brief idea on that also. So that's the main target to do this introduction, guys. And also, I hope you all know next week the festival and all those things are also coming on. So I don't want to drag the class for the next month also, guys. So before that, I just wanted to give you all the introduction, how the class will be working, what are we gonna do, and all those things. So with the 25th class, or which means from the June 25th, we will be kickstarting our theory completely, where we will be doing the calculations, deal with numbers and all those things from our next class onwards. So today's class gonna be very smooth, guys. We'll be talking about the extra things which we should know before starting the content. So if I talk about the syllabus, guys, I hope you all got the tute, right? Can I know anyone out here who is without the tute or anything? Guys, anyone out here without the tute or anything? Sir, I don't have. Guys, I send the tute to the group, right? I hope you all are not in my group. Um, how can I get it? Guys, this is okay. No worries, guys. I'll forward the I'll forward the tute to the group once again. Okay, I'll forward the tute to the group once again. And also I'll share the tute here also, guys, where it will be convenient for the people who are here actually. Okay, give me a minute. Yes. It's still 100, guys. Yeah, there's a message. I just due to the coverage issue, I had to leave the session and I can't join back. Yeah, guys, that problem is there. In case if it is a coverage issue, also in case by mistakenly if you had to leave the meeting, and in case if you can't join, that problem is there. Okay, guys, I sent the tube to the group. Okay, I sent the tube to the group where you all can access the tube through the group. So in case you don't have the tube or anything, no worries or no issues at all, guys, because I'll be sharing the tube in the PDF in the screen also, so you all will be able to watch that and cover the things. And also, guys, remember today's content is not gonna be very hard or anything, guys. Just will be looking into the surface area of the accounting part. Okay, guys. So let me take you all through the tube. Okay, let me take you all through the tube. Guys, can you all see the tube? Can you all see the tube? Can you all see the tube? Yes, right. Seems very low people are active, like around 60, 62 people only actively messaging. What about others? Okay, you all can just talk, you all can just put your emojis. Okay, so I can just see what's happening and what kind of a situation you people are in. Okay, right, can see, right? Okay, guys, so if we take the accounting, we have grade 12 and we have grade 13, right? As you people know, when you are sitting for the O level, they used to stress as what grade 10, grade 11, like that. Same like that. For the A level, you will be focusing on grade 12 and what grade 13. You will be focusing on what grade 12 and grade 13. Okay, so let me take my, give me a minute, guys. Okay, yeah, I hope that is fine. Okay, so if you take your accounting syllabus, guys, whatever in advanced level, mainly it focuses on what grade, sorry, okay, grade 12, grade 12, and also what, guys, grade 13. Whatever the content or whatever the unit or whatever the subject you all are doing, trust me, guys, grade 12 part is comparatively bit tough than the grade 13 part. So the initial 1 year which you all are going to start from today onwards, make sure that you all get the maximum and study the things properly. It will be easy for you to do the grade 13 part. Even in accounting, mainly, guys, if you study the grade 12, the double entry and all those things properly, the grade 13 things will be really nothing for you all. The grade 13 things will be really nothing for you all if you all study the grade 12 part properly. So as we already know, guys, the content and the syllabus mainly focuses on what two grades, which is grade 12 and what grade 13. Okay, so in grade 12 there are around 10 units. In grade 12 there are around 10 units, and in grade 13 also what there are around 11 to 16. There are few units which you all should study in what in your grade 13 also, which is your second year of advanced level. Okay, I just wanted to give you all the brief thing and about the subject and how the subject works and all in the initial class itself. While the class is going on, I can't teach, no, guys, these kind of units are there. This is your unit number 2. This is accounting equation. This is what we'll be studying in the accounting equation. That will be gone in depth, but still as an introduction, I can't give you all in the middle of the class or anything, guys. So that's it. I'm giving you all as a main introduction about each of the lesson in the initial class itself, for you all to have an idea what kind of a thing which you all gonna do, what kind of a subject which you all are going to study, what is the nature of the subject, how are you gonna deal with the subject. Okay, so those things you all should know before studying itself or before going into the content itself. You people should know. So that's the main target for me to stress on this area and take some time and explain this. Okay, so if you take what in content, we have what grade 12, also we have what grade 13. Okay, we have what grade 12 and we have what grade 13. And also, guys, meanwhile, if you all have any doubt or anything, you all can just drop, okay, you all can just drop the message in the chat forum. In case if I didn't see it or anything, you all can just send it once again. Okay, so just the chat is going on, I can't even check, guys. It's going on in a speed way. So in case if I miss anything, you can always drop me a text again and again. I'll be able to reply it. Okay, yeah, okay. So if we take the content, guys, if we take the content in grade 12, we have 10 units. So let's study what are the nature, how the questions will be tested, and what kind of units those are. Okay, so if we take the grade 12, okay, if we take the grade 12, first unit is something called as what introduction to accounting. What is mean by introduction to accounting? Normally, guys, whatever the subject that you all are gonna study, whatever the thing which you all are gonna study, you all should know what it is, right? Example, when you go for the school for a very first time, if it is for the LKG or UKG, our teacher will be explaining, this is the thing you should come for the class. This is how you should come for the class. This is the what? This is your teacher. Okay. Now this is where the washroom is. This is where the classroom is. This is where the staff room is. Like that, the teacher will be introducing each and everything, right? Why? Because you are new, right? Because you are very new there. Same like that. When you start studying the accounting also, you are new for the subject. You all don't know what account. There might be many students who are here without any knowledge of accounting, without any knowledge of business studies, because it's not compulsory for you all to do business and accounting studies in your ordinary level. There might be many students message me, say, is it okay without having the basic knowledge to join the A-level classes? Completely no issues, because in A-level, guys, we are going to study everything in depth from the basic. Even anyone who don't have any idea about the subject, who don't have any knowledge about the subject, still you all will be able to understand the thing. Because guys, remember, O level is something else and A level is something else. Anyone who didn't study business and accounting studies in your O level, don't think that A level commerce will be difficult for you. It's not like that. All the three subjects, even if it is whatever the stream that you all are gonna do, O level and A level, there's no any connection, guys. Okay, it's completely different. In A level, from the basic, they will be taking you all through. Okay, so don't have that fear, guys. Just wanted to tell you all, don't have that fear. Anyone who didn't do the O-level business and accounting studies, still no worries, no issues at all. Don't panic or anything, guys, whether this will be difficult, or see the unit name, non-profit organization, it seems incomplete. These are very easy stuff, guys. Okay, don't think it as difficult or anything. Please take that off from your mind. Okay, I wanted to let you all know this initially itself, guys. Accounting is difficult. It's difficult. If you all study the content properly, it's not gonna be a difficult for you people. Okay, so have that in mind, guys. Have that confidence now itself. I personally tell you people, it's not a difficult subject, or it's not a tough subject as people say, or as you all think. It's a very easy subject, very kind of a subject. If you know one thing, you all can handle many things. Okay, just wanted to give you an example. Let's take business studies and all. In the sense, it's easy, but you all should keep things in mind, right? You all should keep many things. You all should know what are the points that should come. If you take a heading, what are the examples that will come under that? Those things you all should know, right? But in accounting, there is nothing like that. If you know how to solve a sum, whatever the sum the examiner test, you all will be able to do. Example, if you know the method, any question, anyhow they can ask, you all will be able to solve. That's the nature of the accounting subject. So don't think it as difficult or anything, guys. Anyone who is coming for the advanced level for the very first time, without doing any commerce related subject, or without doing business and accounting studies in your ordinary level, no issues or no worries or anything, guys. Still you all will be able to manage and handle the things here. Okay, please don't have that mindset, guys. Anyone out here who didn't do the O level business and accounting studies, but you all are doing the advanced level accounting? Anyone who didn't do the O level commerce and right now gonna do the advanced level commerce? No, quite, there are many people, no, guys. Okay, guys, anything you can just talk to me. Okay, I didn't do accounting, sir. I am. Guys, you all can just talk to me. I'm not that kind of a strict person who will gonna scold you or anything. Okay, am I looking like that? Who is going to scold you or anything? No, right? You all can just talk and ask whatever, because some people used to ask, is it okay if I do accounting? Is it okay if I do this subject, that subject? Don't have that fear, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Our YouTube channel name I'll give you all at the end. Okay. Okay, remember, guys. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you all people. There are many, okay, there are many who is putting me messages, I didn't do Kiela. Y'all, for y'all mainly, guys, don't think that it is difficult or anything. All the three subjects in accounting, sorry, all the three subjects in the commerce stream, y'all will be doing from the very basics. Okay, so nothing for y'all to worry, or nothing for y'all to think whether will I be able to cover or anything. So don't think about anything like that, guys. So just have that confidence, just have that cool mind, where you all can cover the things. Still you all have 2 more years, guys. Still you all have 2 more years. So nothing to panic now itself, and don't think whether will it be difficult, can I do it, can I manage it? Nothing like that, guys. You all can just be cool, you all can just chill. Okay, still you all will be able to manage the things properly. Okay, doing advanced level in 1 year and all, I'll just talk about it, guys. Guys, the ones who have raised the hand, you all can just put it down. Yeah, okay, all right. So that thing and all I'll be talking about, guys. Doing the A level in 1 year, how does it work? Okay, those things I'll just come for those things, guys. Okay, those things I'll talk about how to do and all those things. But just wanted to give you all the overall idea today. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to tell you all that thing also. Don't worry if you all are doing the subject for the very first time. Still, you all will be able to handle the things. So, you all are gonna do it for 2 years. Okay, don't panic now itself and think it's difficult or anything. Very easy, guys. Very straightforward content. If you all study the things properly, you all will be able to do the things perfectly. Okay, guys. And also, I'm not saying you all to study 24 hours. I'll give you all a plan how to study in the initial part and later. If it works for you all can continue, or else you all can go for a alternative way. Okay, guys. So as you all know, there is grade 12 and grade 13. So initial part is what? Introduction to accounting, where we will be studying the basic part of the account. What is accounting and all those things we'll be studying in our first unit. And second one is something called as what? Accounting equation. Now, equation Q, the difficult subject that you all doing the O level is what? Max, right? In equation Q, what is coming to the mind? Some kind of a equal symbol is coming to your mind, right? Equation Q, equal mark will be there, right? Equation. We will be dealing with something called assets, liabilities, equity, how the accounting equation will be changing, how that will impact on accounting equation, how the transactions of a business will be impacting on accounting equation. All those things we will be studying in our second unit. Guys, I'm not going very depth into any unit. I'm just telling you all what we will be doing in the relevant unit. So that's just more than enough for you all to have that idea right now. Okay. And also in third unit, what we will be doing, guys, there is something called double entry system. Okay, in double entry system QM, there will be something called the main thing which you will come across until you all go and do the A-level exam. You all will be coming across two terms as debit and credit. Okay, debit and what? Credit. Until you all go and do the exams, until you all do the accounting paper, this debit and credit will follow you. Okay, this is one of the famous word kind of work. Like this debit and credit will be whatever the unit which you are doing as, this debit and credit will be definitely there. So in the unit number 3, what we will be studying, why do we want to debit? Why do we want to credit? What's the background story for debiting? What's the background story for the crediting? What's the double entry principle of it? Why do we debit? Why do we credit? All those things we will be studying in our unit number 3. So will you keep exams? Definitely there will be exams, okay? Definitely there will be exams. I'll come to that part, okay? Okay, so in unit number 3, we'll be studying what is debit, why do we debit, why do we credit, what's the purpose of debiting, what's the reason for debiting here. These things you all will be studying very much logically. Why do we debit, why do we credit with the double entry principle. Now, if you understand the double entry principle properly, guys, trust me, the remaining parts will be difficult. If you mess up in the initial few units, later you people gonna struggle. I don't want to say it in the initial class itself, guys. Just wanted to say the very much reality. Okay, if you mess up the initial part, guys, later you people gonna struggle. It's not so anything for you all to cover it up later. From the basic, just cover it up properly and come, guys. Things will be very easy at the last moment also. Okay, right? Yeah, that thing we will be studying in our unit number 3, which is interesting, guys. Remember, guys, accounting, if you study properly, I just wanted to say everything today from next class onwards, content. Okay, so I just wanted to talk everything and just make you all completely okay with the subject for us to move on. Okay, and also, guys, trust me, if you learn the content properly, if you learn the subjects properly, if you know what is accounting and all those things properly, why the debit, why credit, why are we debiting, why do we record here, why don't we record here, if you know all those things properly, trust me, accounting is gonna be one of your favorite subjects. Trust me, guys, accounting gonna be one of your favorite subjects. I'm not saying because I do accounting, I'm not saying because I teach accounting or anything, because it was one of my favorite subjects. That's it. I'm saying you. The main reason for us is to get be the favorite subject or anything, guys. Learn the content properly, learn the initial properly, learn the logic properly. The things will be easy. Okay, so that's what we will be studying in our unit number 3. Okay, that's what we will be studying in our unit number 3. And unit number 4, we will be studying about what? Prime entry books. Now, books, you all know, no, guys. There will be something called books. Prime entry book, cash book, petty cash book, general journal, sales journal, purchase journal, return inward journal, sales return journal. Like that, there will be many prime entry books, guys. Okay, if you take cash book, what type of transactions we will be recording in the cash book? Why do we record in the cash book? In cash book, or like if we take cash book, like normally we say just cash book, there is something called receipt cash book, there is something called as payment cash book. What kind of transactions we will be recording in receipt cash book? What type of transactions we will be recording in payment cash? What type of transaction in sales journal? What type of transaction in purchase journal? Those things we will be studying in our unit number 4. And also, guys, in unit number 4, Unit number 4, just put an arrow. I hope you all have the tutor or anything. In unit number 4, apart from the primarily book, we will be studying something called as what? Bank reconciliation statement. Okay, we will be studying something called as what, guys? Bank reconciliation statement. Also, we will be studying something called as what, guys? Control accounts. Control account. These are very interesting, guys. Trust me, the accounting subject is very interesting. Okay, if you all know the content and if you all learn it properly, it's gonna be one of your favorite subjects. So from the initial part, okay, from the initial thing, learn it properly, guys. Don't think that online class is not convenient. Don't think that online classes are difficult. You need a physical class to concentrate more. Those are just your mindset, guys. Trust me, I did my A levels. The complete 3 subject was my completely online. I didn't attend any physical classes. Okay, still I didn't attend any physical classes for my advanced level. Still I was able to get through my exam. Okay, so that's what I'm saying, you people, guys. It's just you people's mindset that online class is difficult. You can't concentrate in online classes. Okay, that is just your mindset, guys. If you think apart from that, there are many advantages that you all can have in online classes compared to the physical classes. Okay, so and also we will be studying about what? Correction of accounting correction of accounting errors. So just put an arrow in, right, guys, because it's not I have not included it, but in unit number 4 there is the main heading, which is prime entry book. Apart from that prime entry book, we'll be studying something called as what? Bank reconciliation statement and control account, and what correction of accounting errors also will be studied in the unit number 4. The content sounds scary, guys. Remember, the even though the content name and all those things sound scary, it is not like that. Okay, like uh, how can I see you people that it's very easy? Like, you all should learn it, guys. Okay, you all should learn it from the beginning properly. You all will feel how the things are, how easy it is. Okay, it's not easy. I will not say it's easy for everyone. Definitely, it's a difficult subject. I will genuinely say, guys, accounting is a difficult subject. Everyone can't do accounting. Everyone can't do accounting. Everyone can't study accounting, or everyone can't teach accounting. Okay, that's a hard reality. If you study the things properly from the very basics, things will be very easy. Simple as that. That's it. I'm saying you all in the initial class itself, guys. I'm stressing that very much. If you all study the things from very basics, things will be very easy. If you all mess up in the initial part, later you people gonna struggle. Okay, this you will remember, guys. This you will remember after maybe around 1.5 years or after 2 years, when you all are nearby for the exam, when you are 2 months away for the exam, or when you're 3 months away for the exam. You will remember, hey, this person told, right? Or something like this. This you will remember, guys. Okay, so I don't want you all to regret at the last moment. I don't want you all to think in vain kill at the last moment. Best option, you all have the online class, you all have the recording options, you all have everything. It's just a matter of you people taking some time and covering the things and doing the things perfectly. Okay, it's very easy, guys. Don't think online classes are not effective or anything. It's very much effective. As I see some questions here, online classes are very much effective, guys. So don't be scared of anything. You all can just continue the classes and see how the things are working. Okay, so that's a small thing about the what unit number 4. Okay, in unit number 5, what we will be studying, guys? Unit number 5 is something called as accounting concept. Unit number 5 is something called as what? Accounting concept. So what do we do in accounting concept? These are what? Some assumptions. Accounting concepts means what? Some assumptions. Or we can say it as what? Some bases. Okay, or as we can say it as what? Some principles. Okay, etc. Okay, let's put an extra, etc. Okay, so what is mean by this accounting concept, guys? In the accounting concept, what we will be studying is, when we do accounting, there are some instances where we should assume something, or else we should have a base to do something, or else we should have some principles for us to go ahead. Example, if I want to give you all an example, guys, when you do accounting, or when we do accounting, or when the business does accounting, there is an assumption that the business do follow, that the business will be continuing its operation for a longer time period or foreseeable future. That's the main example. For the assumptions, we can say it as what? One of the assumptions that the business do undertake is, businesses will be assuming the business operation will be continuing for a longer time period. That's what we call as what? Going concern concept. That's what we call as what? Going concern concept. Going concern, guys. And also, I just wanted to tell you all, guys, don't be scared of these terms or anything. These things in depth we'll be studying one by one. Okay. For me to explain the content, I just wanted to take this as the example. Don't be scared. What is this going concern, foreseeable future, business activities? Don't be confused, please, guys. We are going to study everything in depth later. I just wanted to take this as an example. That's it. I'm putting here. Okay. Going concern. Okay. This is a what? This is a going concern is an accounting concept. What does that accounting concept say? Business will be continuing its operation for a future time period or for a foreseeable future time period. Based on that assumption, we will be doing the what? Accounting. Or else when it comes to the basis, what? There are some adjustments, right? Like accrual, prepayments, all those things are there, right? All those things will be done based on the what? The accrued concept or accrual concept. There is something called prudent concept. There is something called matching concept. There is something called realization concept. There is something called money measurement concept. What does the money measurement concept says? A money measurement concept says anything which can be measured in financial terms, anything which you can measure in financial perspective or financial terms, that only can be recorded in accounting. That's a accounting concept. So when you are doing accounting, you should follow that. So can you go and record a thing which you can't measure in terms of money? You can't. Why? Because there is an accounting concept specifically says anything which can be measured in terms of money only can be recorded in accounting. So accounting concepts teach you all the principles, or we can say some basis, or we can say some assumptions that we use or that we undertake or that we follow when we do the accounting. So that we will be studying in our unit number 5. That thing we will be studying in our unit number 5. And next one is what, guys? There is something called, these are interesting part. Okay. Now from 6th to 11th unit, just see what's happening. In 6th unit, you will be studying something called financial statements of a sole proprietorship business. Okay, we will be studying something called as what? Financial statements of a sole proprietorship business. So when you take a sole proprietorship business, you will be preparing something called, okay, statement of profit or loss. Okay, don't be scared, guys. These are baby stuff, sir. Statement of financial position. Okay, nothing is there here. Okay. Okay, statement of profit or loss and statement of what? Financial position. So these things, how to prepare for a sole proprietorship business? How are we supposed to prepare our statement of profit or loss? How are we supposed to prepare our statement of financial position? All those things we will be studying in our unit number 6. I don't want to go much deep into the content also, guys. Just wanted to say what are the things we will be studying. Statement of financial position and statement of profit or loss we will be studying in our unit number 6. Okay, there are some questions, guys. Sir, will you keep exams? Yes, definitely. There are some exams coming your way. Okay, there are some exams which you all are gonna do. Okay, it's not an exam like I'll be calling your parents and saying, this is your student's mark. This is how your student perform in the class. Guys, this is not O level. Okay, if it is your O level, that can happen. But A level, guys, you people should study. Okay, teachers are there just to instruct you. Teachers are there just to guide you. Teachers are there just to show you all the paths. You people should get into the work and you all should work. Okay, so I'll be talking about those things, guys, how you all should work, what you all should do. Okay, how to manage everything. Okay, how to manage everything, not only the studies, maybe extracurriculars or any other thing. Maybe you all might be into the school clubs, maybe you all might into the school sports and all those things. How to balance everything. There's a way, guys. I'll just talk about what I did. I'll just talk about those things also, guys, where it might be benefit at least for some people out here. I'll be talking about those things also. Maybe if it is not today, maybe in our next class also I'll be talking, guys. Okay, with the time, there's 2 more years for us to go, guys. There's 2 more years for us to go. So with the time, let's talk all those things and just make things perfect. Okay, so want to conduct physical classes, guys? I just conduct only one physical class. Okay, just I conduct only one physical class at Gompala. So in case anyone out here, anyone nearby, you all can join the physical class. I just wanted to do a physical class, so that's it. I'm doing, guys, but mainly focusing on online class only. Okay. And also, guys, how about your results in 2023 A-level students? Guys, I didn't do classes for 2023 A-level students. Okay, I didn't do classes for 2023 A-level students. My first batch itself 2025 A-level. Okay. So same like O-level? No, O-level is different, A-level is different. Okay, waiting for motivation, guys. It's not kind of a motivation. I just wanted to say you all some things. Okay, if you all feel motivated or anything, yes, you all can take it as a motivation. But I just wanted to say these things. Okay, so when will you conduct the next class, guys? Next class, most probably I'll be not conducting coming Tuesday. Because the festival things are coming on, right? Maybe the week after, maybe on 25th. 25th I'll be doing, and from July onwards we'll be continuing the class. Okay. So what's your A-level results? Guys, I got 3 A's, okay? I got 3 A's, okay? The subject accounting, business studies, and economics. So you're from which school? Kingswood, maybe you know it. So want you conduct any physical classes within Candy? Guys, the thing is I'm finding difficulties with the time. So most probably sometimes I might conduct a physical class at Candy also as my final seminar for O-level. I'll be doing a physical classes for the A-level also at Candy. I'll just keep you all posted through the groups, okay? So are you keeping double AT classes? Guys, I don't do double AT classes through online. We do double AT classes physically, okay? So is it okay to do? Guys, there are many questions which is coming, guys. I can't just read everything and answer. Guys, let's keep this session at the last, okay? You can put any questions which you all come across, because if I answer all your questions, I'll not be able to do my target what I wanted to do. You all can put all your doubts. So you all can put all your doubts related to commerce stream or anything or life or anything, whatever that I can answer. I can, but I do know to answer. I'll just help you all, guys. So let me finish off these, guys. Now you all don't stress much on putting your questions. You all can have your all your questions, guys. At the later part, we'll have a session. Okay, it's still 8:26, guys. So we'll have the question and answer session at the last part, guys. I just wanted to do this at the initial class itself and make you all very clear, okay? So that's the main purpose of this class, guys. Don't think it as a waste of time or anything. Obviously it's not, okay? It's gonna reflect you in the next 2 years. So let's talk about the content, and let's go back to the things what we need to do and all those things. You all can have all your questions. I'm not ignoring anything. You all can have all your questions. In case if I didn't answer anything, I'll be able to answer at the later part. Okay, guys, next one we'll be talking about something called as what? The financial statements of a manufacturing business. In unit number 6 also something called financial statement. In unit number 7 also we are going to study something called as what? Financial statement. Now in unit number 7, what's the difference? In unit number 7, we are going to study financial statements of a manufacturing business. Okay. What is mean by manufacturing business, guys? Remember, manufacturing business means any business, any business which do undertake a manufacturing process. Example, let's assume a business which do sell chair. Guys, does this look like a chair? It's not a bed or anything, it's chair, okay? It's a what chair? Let me write it. If not, if anyone suddenly joined right now, they'll wonder what is this. Okay, this is our chair. So any business which produce chair and sell, they will be preparing some set of different financial statement. Okay, they will be having something called statement of production cost. What's their production cost? All those things they will be calculating, which is not relevant for a non-manufacturing business. A manufacturing business's financial statement is different from a financial statement of a non-manufacturing business, because why? They don't have the manufacturing expenditure, right? But these people do have the manufacturing expenditure, right? So manufacturing businesses will be having their separate financial statement. That also we will be studying. And also there is something called as what? Financial statement of a non-profit organization. What is mean by non-profit organization, guys? No aim to earn profit. No aim to what? Earn profit. Now, if they don't have motive to earn profit, no point of preparing the statement of profit or loss, I guess. If the non-profit organization doesn't have motive to earn profit, if they don't have target to earn profit, is there any use of preparing statement of profit or loss? No, because they don't have target to earn profit. So they will be preparing something called as what? A statement of financial position they'll be preparing, something called income statement they will be preparing. Those kind of things will be prepared by a what? Non-profit organization. Okay, non-profit organizations financial statement is different from other profit oriented businesses. And then we will be preparing something called as what? Financial statements for incomplete record. Now this is very practical, guys. Just think about it. Just think about it. Do you think a business will have the 100% information? Do you think that a business will be having complete information? Do you think a business will be having a complete information related to their business activities? It's not very practical, guys. Will they be able 100% information about their sales, about their purchases, about the deal with the creditor, about their dealings with the debtor? Will they have the accurate 100% information? Not really, right? Sometimes they might have information, sometimes they will not have information, sometimes they would have not prepared. There can be many instances which will happen, right? Now what will happen is, because of this reason, can we just be like, we don't prepare financial statement, we can't prepare because we don't have information? Can we be just, will the shareholders and will the interested parties be just, if we say an answer like that? No. They will be asking for a financial statement. Therefore, what should happen, guys? Therefore, even though if we don't have enough amount of record, even though if we don't have enough information, still we should prepare the financial statements with the incomplete records. Incomplete records yani we don't have enough information, we don't have our complete information. Still there are some ways for us to prepare our financial statement. That also we will be studying, okay, in unit number 8. And then we will be, sorry, in unit number 9. And then we will be studying something called as what, guys? Okay, and then we will be studying something called as what, guys? Hold on. Okay, and then we will be studying about what, the financial statements of a partnership business. We will be studying financial statements of a what, partnership business. Now what is mean by partnership business, guys? There are 2 to 20 people. Okay, there are 2 to 20 people. So any business which is conducted by 2 to 20 individuals, they will have to prepare separate set of financial statement, like capital account, current account, like statement of profit appreciation. Those things will be prepared by a what, partnership business. Those things will be prepared by the what, partnership is in today's session only the introduction of the lessons. No, we will be completing this quick and we'll be moving on to the other part. Okay, so it takes time, guys, when you people ask for the question, but in a way it's good, guys. Okay, just be active in the class like that. Okay, just be active. You all can present your question, you all can ask your question, you all can just interact, okay, you all can just argue, anything can happen. Okay, so in unit number 10 we will be studying about what, the financial statements of a partnership business. So you all know what is a partnership business. So any business which is conducted by 2 to 20 individual is a partnership business. So for that partnership business, there will be separate set of financial statements. We will be studying one by one that. So that's the end of your grade 12 part, guys. That's the end of your what, grade 12. Very easy, also difficult. Okay, if you study properly, things will be easy. If you mess up at the initial part, guys, trust me, it's gonna be difficult. Okay, so I don't want to want you people to regret at the last, guys. I don't want you all to regret. Okay, so make sure that you all do the things properly from today onwards and come. Okay, and if we go for the grade 13, there's nothing much, guys. If we talk about the grade 13, let's say in this quickly the content part. Okay, if you take the grade 10 part, here we will be preparing the same financial statement, but for what, partnership again, we will be preparing for what, company. We will be preparing for what, company, not a publicly. We will be mainly focusing on a limited liability company. Okay, what is that and all we'll be studying later, guys. But remember, we will be preparing financial statement for a company. So here it's what, statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. Earlier for the sole proprietorship, we just prepared SOPL, only statement of profit or loss. No, here we will be preparing something called as what, statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, like statement of financial position, statement of what, cash flows. Guys, don't scribble in the screen. If you all want, I can just give a separate time at the end of the meeting. You all can just scribble and play. Okay, I can't just erase it from my end, guys. The one who did that only will be able to just take it off. Okay, I can just take it off. Okay, if you all want, I can just give some time at the latter part of the session. You all can just scribble and enjoy and play. Okay, so we'll be covering about statement of cash flow. Okay, and then statement of cash flow will be covered separately, guys. It's not comes under the company, but it is also a financial statement. Okay, but we will be studying statement of changes in, let me take this off. We'll be studying how to prepare statement of changes in equity, notes and disclosures. So these things, don't worry, even if you didn't understand anything, I just wanted to show you all the reality, what are the things they are here. So those things we'll be studying in what, unit number 11, or those things we will be preparing for the what, unit number 11. And accounting standards means what, accounting standard means, guys, in order to prepare these financial statement, in order to prepare the financial statement mainly for a company, we can't do as we prepare. Okay, we can't do the accounting as our own term, we can't do the own method, we can't prepare the what statement of financial position with 5 column. Okay, we can't prepare the statement of profit or loss with 4 column. There is a particular format, there is a particular format, there is a particular way, there is a method for us to do. So those things will be prescribed by the what, accounting standards. So when we do the financial statement, we should do the financial statement which related to the accounting standards. So those things, accounting standard like LKAS, those things we will be studying one by one. Not a big deal, guys, not a big issue also. Very easy content there also. So we'll be studying the accounting standards one by one. And then there is something called as what? Ratio analysis. There is something called as what? Ratio analysis. So what we will be doing in ratio analysis, what you can understand by the word analysis, what you can understand by the word analysis. Analysis can, guys, you are gonna analyze some, you are gonna what? Analyze some, you are gonna what? See, compared to the, let's assume we are in 2021, we are gonna compare the year 2020, we are gonna compare 2020 with 2021. What has happened to our gross profit? Now these terms we'll be studying. Okay, don't be confused. What's happened to the gross profit? What happened to the what? Net profit. Okay, what happened to the what? Net profit. What happened to the equity of the business? Okay, what happened to the share price of the business? So all those things we will be studying in the what? Ratio analysis. Okay, like in the sense we will be analyzing how the things are working in the what? Ratio analysis. And next one we have something called as what? Cost and management accounting. Now when you talk about the accounting, guys, mainly accounting depends on two things, no? Financial accounting and management accounting. So in the grade 13 part only we will touch the what? Management accounting part, where management accounting deals with what? Where management accounting deals with what, guys? Semi-financial informations. Okay, semi-financial information, where the financial accounting mainly deal with the financial information, no? In management accounting we will be doing the accounting for what? Semi-financial information, like materials of the business. So those things we'll be studying later, guys. Maybe today itself we will be going for the management accounting part most probably. So those things also, there is something else for us to study. Okay, I don't want to stress much in the content, I just wanted to give you all an idea. Okay, have the purpose what I'm doing. Okay, don't be just lost in a point and see what sir is doing, what he is teaching, what kind of, what unit is he doing. Guys, I'm not doing a unit right now. Okay, don't be confused. Some people are like, sir, which unit is this? I didn't respond for it. Okay, some people are like, sir, which unit is this? So how am I to explain which unit here? Like, guys, remember, it's not a unit or anything. Okay, I'm just going through all the unit one by one, just by taking 1 minute or something. It's not a unit or something that we are doing right now. And then here there is something called as what? Unit number 15, which is what? Marginal costing or CVP analysis. Okay, here what do we do is what? This is related to what? This is related to the short-term decision making. This is related to what? Short-term decision making. Short-term decision making. Okay, short-term decision making. Like there is something called as what? Contribution, something called contribution we will be studying. Okay, something called contribution we will be studying. Something called margin of safety we will be studying. Okay, something called margin of safety kela we will be studying. Something called break even point kela we will be studying. Very easy, guys, very interesting. Trust me, that management accounting part is interesting compared to the financial accounting. The management accounting part is like comparatively it's interesting, but you should learn those also. Okay, so we will be studying about what? Contribution, margin of safety, break even, those things we will be what? Studying in our unit number 15, which is marginal costing or CVP analysis. Remember, this is related to what? Short term decision making. This is related to what? Short term decision making. And here comes the investment appraisal. Here we talk about the what? Long term decision making. Okay, here we comes the what, guys? Long term decision making. Now here long term decision what will come here is, guys, example, let's assume you are doing a business. When you do a business, or when you continue a business, let's assume you need to buy a motor vehicle, you need to put an investment. Okay, you are gonna make an investment. Now before going for that investment, you should see whether the investment is good or bad, right? You can't just do the investment and then think whether is it good or bad. Before going for the investment, before investing on a particular project or something, you people should decide whether is it good or bad, whether is it okay to invest or not okay to invest. Those things we will be studying in our what? Unit number 16. So if only the investment is all good, if investment is perfect, then you will go ahead. If not, you will just what? Ignore that investment. So those things we will be studying in our unit number 16. So this is an overall idea about the content, guys. Now I hope you people are like very much confused. There are many things: contribution, debit and credit, going concern, assumption, everything I just taught you all, guys. Even if you all forget it in the next moment, that's not gonna big deal, guys. But I just wanted to say you, these are the things that you all should study. If you take business studies, you have an option of ICT. If you have economics, you have an option for ICT, something you can do. But when you are choosing commerce stream, accounting is one of the main subject that you all should do. I hope you all know that right now. Okay, accounting you can't just choose with anything. Yes, you all should do accounting if you are doing commerce stream. So I just wanted to feed you all into the mind, guys. Don't think it's a difficult thing. I just wanted to give you all an idea how the subject is, what's the nature of the subject, what kind of a thing we are going to study for our next 2 years. So those things I just wanted to tell you all, guys. I hope you all are clear with this. I hope you all are okay and clear with this. Guys, in case do you have any doubt related to this, for the question and answer will come later, related to studying, related to what to do, those things will come to that part later, guys. In this, do you have any doubt? So are we going to study this, or will we study this, or no? Is it related to this? Anything like that? Anything like that? No doubt so far. Of these unit, what's the highest marks for exam? Like I'll come to the paper structure, guys. Okay, I'll come to the paper structure in a few minutes. Next, we'll be talking about the paper structure. Interesting. Okay. Wait. Okay. Some people are like, sir, the 10 this it's in fine. Noted. Let me put a message in the group, guys. In case if you all have any doubt, you all can just put it quickly. Sir, will it be hard to remember everything at the last moment for the exam? No, guys, it's not like that. Okay, it's not like that. That's it. You all have complete 2 years. Okay, that's it. You all have complete 2 years. It's not gonna be difficult, guys. If you work from now onwards, we will be okay. Let me upload a message in the group, guys. Okay, I'll talk about that doing the exam in 1 year. I'll just talk about it. Okay, at the end, I'll definitely talk about it. Guys, exactly by 9:45 will be this. Sorry, 8:45 we will be discussing the paper structure. You all don't want to leave, guys. It is important for you all to know the paper structure before you all study. Okay, hold on. I'll just drop a message in the group also. The ones who couldn't join, they can join quickly. All right, guys. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, let's continue. I hope you all are here, right? I hope you all are here. Okay, so let's talk about the paper structure quickly, guys. Let's talk about the paper structure. Okay, let's talk about the paper structure quickly. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. So if you take your paper structure, okay, let me take a different color or let me make it a bit dark. Guys, maybe from the upcoming class, we'll be focusing only on the content, guys. Don't think that all the classes will be like this. Okay, I just wanted to give you all the complete idea today itself and then make you all very clear. Some people might think they will always talk and wait in all the classes like this. It's not like that. Okay, so only for today. Yeah. Okay, so fine. Okay, we will be talking about the what? Paper structure. Okay. Okay. So this is the paper that you all are gonna do maybe after 2 years or something, that this is the paper that you people will be doing. Okay. Right. Okay. So if you take the paper structure, guys, if you take the paper structure, as you all know, there is something called as what? Part one. There is something called as what? Part one, and there is part two. Okay. You all have part one. Okay. And you all have what? Part two. You all have part one and you all have what? Part two. If I talk about the guys, remember guys, this is the accounting paper structure. Now don't go and think that business studies, economics, everything is like this, Kiela. You know it's different. I'm talking about the accounting paper structure. So if you take the accounting paper structure, guys, there is something called part one and there is what? Part two also. Part one and part two. If you take the part one, guys, if you take the part one, if you take the part one, in part one, what happened is from question number 1 to 30. Okay, from question number 1 to 30, you should deal with what? MCQs. Okay, there will be one question and 5 MCQs. In O level, you all would have come across with 4 MCQs option. Here, there will be how many options, guys? There will be 5 options. Okay, one question, there will be 5 options in what? MCQ. So 1 to 30. And then from 31 to, and then from what? 31 to 50, 31 to 50, there will be some short questions. There will be somewhat, guys, short questions. What does this short questions mean? You all should do the working and get the answer. Okay, you all can't just do any magic or anything to get the answer, guys. You all should do the working. You all should do everything and put the final answer in your paper. So that's how the nature will be of the questions from 31 to what? 50. So here, how many marks they will be providing? The marks how they will be providing is 4 marks each. Okay, 4 marks what? Each. 4 marks each. So if it is 4 marks each, totally how many questions are there, guys? If you take the what? Total, if you take the total, so 4 marks for a question, 4 marks for a question, 4 marks for a question. You are gonna do how many questions? 50 questions. Okay, you are gonna do how many questions? 50 questions. Are a choice nahi, okay? There is no choice or anything. Are 50 questions you should do, okay? So 4 marks per question they will be giving 4 marks for a question. There will be 50 questions. Okay. So totally will be how much, guys? Uh, Totally you will be able to get how many marks? 200 marks. Okay. This will be on a particular day and part 2 will be on a separate day. Okay. Part 1 on a different day and part 2 will be on the different day. So this is how the part 1 will be. Okay. This is how the part 1 will be. Remember, part 1 is difficult than the part 2. Okay, part 1 is more difficult. Okay, the time consumption, all those I'll talk, but it's difficult, know that. Okay, so from the part 1 you will be able to get 200 marks. And when you take the part 2, when you take the what? Part 2, in part 2 how the questions are is, okay, let me, okay, in part 2 how the questions are is, there are 6 questions. Question number 1, guys, you all write it. Okay, you all write it. I'm not just writing to make the screen beautiful or anything. You all write it. That's it. I'm writing clearly for you all to write it because it's important. Maybe in the first page of your writing book or anything, just scribble it and keep because it's important. So there is something called question number 3. We have the question number 4. We have the question number 5. And we have the what? Question number 6. Okay, wait, there are some questions. So is it must to have C pass in max to do commerce in AS? Not really, guys. Okay. There is nothing like that. Even with three, like even with S or something, you can still apply privately and do. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. So if you take the part two, okay, if you take the part two, I can just share you the paper, guys. Maybe our 2023 paper. I'll be able to just show you people how the paper and all, guys. Okay, let me finish off this. Okay, so if you take the part two, guys, normally we have how many questions? There are 6 questions. Okay, in part two, there are how many questions? There are 6 questions for in the paper. Okay, in part two, there are how many questions? 6 questions. Out of that 6 questions, out of those 6 questions, may part one and sorry, question number one and question number two is compulsory. Okay. Now you all would have come across in O level and all, like only the first question will be compulsory, right? Like do the first question compulsory, from the other things you all can choose. But when it comes to the advanced level accounting paper structure, from the part two, the question number one and two will be compulsory. Okay. You can't just skip anything. Question number one and two, anivaran, you all should do. There are 4 questions left out. There are 4 questions left out from this. Okay. From the question number 3 to 6, you can select, you can select 3 and you can what? Skip 1. I hope you are very clear. Okay? Don't be confused. Okay. From the question number 4, some people asking doubts here also. Question number 1 and 2 is compulsory. Out of the 6 questions that you all have, 1 and 2 you all should definitely do. No chance of skipping. If you skip, you lose the mark. From question number 3 to 6, what you all can do is 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds. You all should choose only 3. You all can select any 3. Maybe question number 3, 4, 5, or else 4, 5, 6, or else 3, 5, 6. You can select any 3 and you can just skip 1. So here how the marks they will be giving is, how the marks they will be providing is, guys, if you put here 40 marks each. Okay, 40 marks each. 40 marks each. Okay, 40 marks each. So how the marks total will come? If you take the total, guys, if you take the total, okay, so here you can put as what? For a question, they will be providing 40 marks. Or for question number 140, question number 240, it's 40 marks, okay, for a question, okay. For a question, they will be providing how many marks? 40 marks into how many questions that you people gonna choose in total? 5. Remember that even though there are 6 questions, you people gonna do 5 questions and they will be giving only for 5 question marks. So how many questions you all should attempt? Only the 5 questions. So 40 into 5, can I know what's the answer, guys? Still here also it gives how much? 200 marks. Okay. So 200 marks, 200 marks, 200 marks, 200 marks. Then what will happen? 200 plus 200, your total is how much? 400 marks. So your paper total is how much, guys? 400 marks. So from the 400 marks, how they will be able to get the marks out of 100? Divided by 4. And the marks will be from how many percentage? From the 100%. Guys, are you all okay with the paper structure? Are you all okay with the paper structure? Are you all clear with this? Or in this also, do you all have doubts? For part 1, 2 hours, and for part 1, 2 hours, and part 2, 3 hours. Okay, that's how the timing will be. Guys, did you all understand how the paper structure works and all? Important. This is important, guys. You all might think, why sir is taking so much of time in the initial class itself? He'll explaining about content, subject, and then he is talking about the paper. While doing the content, he can talk about the paper. Like that, you all might think, guys. But remember, it's important for us to talk in the initial class itself. Then only it's important. Then only you will have an idea what I'm gonna do. Most obviously, most people will be knowing about the paper structure as the initial time, right? Okay, guys, did you all understand the structure? If you all want, you all can just take this down, okay? There is 2 more years, guys, nothing for us to hurry, okay? Still, this class and the next class is free, right? You all can just come explore how my classes is working, how am I teaching, whether you all can understand. I'm not going to force anyone. You all should come to my accounting class. Definitely, this is the one and only accounting class. This is where you will understand everything. Those kind of false thing, I don't want to give, guys. Those kind of false marketing also I don't want to undertake, guys. You all are here. You all are matured enough. You all are students who are done with your OS, you all have the proper maturity. You all are in a sense to choose your right class. You all know in which class you will be able to understand the content. Now you all are in the session, guys. The same number of count of people are from 7:30, still more than it's 1.5 and still you people are here. So you people know whether my teaching is good or whether you all understand, whether you all can know the content. You all might can like whether is this person is good for me to study for next 2 years. Those things are the answers for these two free sessions, guys. Okay, because all of a sudden you people can't go for a class. You don't know that person. You don't know who is that person. You don't know from where that person is coming. You don't know how that person is teaching. Even for us, it's difficult. Even if I'm going for a new class, I'll just explore the class, how the class is working, how the sir is teaching, whether is he teaching in a way where I can understand. All those things I will also be evaluating before going for the class. So that's it. I wanted you people to just talk, just ask whatever you all want. Okay, so that is important, guys. That's the main target and that's the main purpose actually. Okay, so you all don't think, okay, why the sir is not teaching and those things, guys. We'll be doing, guys, for the next 2 years. I'm gonna teach you all. Okay, for the next 2 years, I'm gonna teach you all. So these classes are just to explore, just to give you all an idea about the background and the extra things and what are we gonna do, how the things will work, how the structure, how the content, what kind of a nature, your questions I can answer. All those things only will be working, right? Guys, okay, I hope you all are clear with the paper structure. I hope you all are okay with the what paper structure. So we are done with the syllabus part. Okay, we are done with the paper structure also. Our content and plan what we will be doing here is, guys, I just wanted to take you all through the tute here. Okay, I just wanted to take you all through the tute here. So if you take the tute here, guys, in the initial part of the tute itself, I have content kela dala. I have given you all the grade 12 and grade 13, right? So in the physical class today, we did a physical class. So I started the introduction to accounting for them today. I started the introduction to accounting for them today. Okay, so okay, so I started them today as the content. I'll just give you all a plan, guys. What are we gonna do for the upcoming 2 years? So how the classes will be working is how the classes will be working. Just have an idea on that, guys. How the classes will be working is the classes will be completely online. Okay, because I can't be saying these things again and again in all the classes. So I just wanted to give you all that complete idea today itself for you all to make it clear. Okay. Okay. So classes will be what completely online. There is a physical batch also. Anyone who is around here, you all can just come and explore that. But mainly classes will be what completely online. Okay, completely. Someone has put a dot or something. I told you all, right? You all have the time to scribble and play later, Kiela. Okay, the classes will be what completely online. Okay, classes will be completely online. That's the first thing. And also, guys, the recordings will be provided. Okay, some people used to be like, sir, I have this, I have that. Will you provide the recording? Will you provide the recording? I have the coverage issues. That person's wedding is there, this person's wedding is there, that person is funeral, something. People will come out with the reason. So for those people, shape, fine, no worries, no issues, guys. I'll be able to provide you all the recording on that day itself. Okay, you all will be able to get the recording and the classes will be completely online. And also, guys, it's today, it's today, June 11th. Okay, it's June 11th, it's June 11th and June 25th. Okay, I'm not planning to do the class next week, guys, because of the festival. You all might be busy, you all might be into those things. So I don't want to disturb your busy schedule on the next week. So we will be doing our class on June 25th, which is the final week of June month. And also, guys, these classes are completely free. And also, guys, for the upcoming classes, how are you supposed to enroll is because these questions are popping up in my DMs and all those things. That's what I wanted to talk about this. How are you supposed to register and join for the classes? You all would have come across a particular institute, guys. Maybe it might be maybe from Tuted or maybe from my personal thing or maybe from any other thing. So if you all come across from any other way, you all can just contact them. Okay, you all can just contact them and you can join the class. Okay, if it is from Tuted, you can just contact the number which is given from them and you can just enroll for the class. If it is my number and if it is my plan from my group, means you all can just join the thing from my class. So that's how the classes will be working, guys. No matter from where you join, still you will be joining for my class at the end, right? In the sense, if you are joining from any other institute also, still maybe from Tutor or anything, still you all will be coming and joining my live session only. So that is no issues, guys. That will not make a big issue. That will not make a big trouble for you all as well for myself. So that will be working like that. And also, guys, related to the tute. Okay, related to the tute, what will happen for the tute is, guys, as these are the initial free sessions. I thought of uploading the tute for the group. From the July month onwards, how the tute will be working is, I'll be sending you all the tute to your doorstep. Okay, I'll be just sending you all the tute to the doorstep. Maybe for the ones who are enrolling for the July month, I'll be sending you all the unit number 2, 3, 4, T2 again. Like, I'll be combining the tutes and I'll be sending you all to the doorstep. You all can just collect your tute. That's how the tute will be working, guys. So what about the fees, guys? The fees will be rupees 2,500 monthly. Okay, okay. The fees will be rupees 2,500 monthly. Okay, rupees 2,500 monthly. And also, guys, I know how difficult the parents used to spend money on the education and all those things. Okay, so in case if you all have anything to talk to me, in case if you all have any issues or anything, guys, still no worries at all. Still, you all can talk to me. Okay, still you all can talk to me. Still, if you all have any issues or anything, you all can just talk to me personally. I'm not gonna expose. I'm not gonna say this person, this or anything. I'll not even remember your name after that. So in case if you all going through any difficulties or anything, guys, no worries, no issues. You all don't want to think twice or anything. Just think me as your brother or anything. Just you all can just always contact me, guys. In case if you go across any financial difficulties or anything, you all are completely okay for me to talk. Okay, you all can just talk to me and say this is the thing, guys. I'm not going to ask for the reason or anything, guys. That will be completely okay. I just wanted to say that also, because this situation, the country situation and everything is going on like that. Still, your education is important for you all. So make sure, in case if you all are going in that kind of a situation or anything, still you all don't want to think twice or anything, guys. Just you all can talk to me. And in case if you all want any other assistance for the other subject also, still I can just try my maximum. So in case if you all have anything like that, don't be in a situation or without joining the class or anything, guys. Always you all have options if you all talk. Okay, just you all can just talk to me in case if there's anything, and if there's any issues, or if you all are coming across any financial difficulties or anything, you can just talk to me. I can do what I can. Okay, I can do what I can. I'm not saying I can do everything or anything. Just I'll be able to provide the help that I can do from my end. Okay. So how many classes per month? We'll be doing 4 classes for a month. Okay, we'll be doing 4 classes for a month. That is more than enough. Okay, in case if we need, we can put extra classes and all those things will work. So as this is the June month, we'll be doing 2 classes. From July onwards, we will be doing 4 classes for a month. Okay, and also, guys, let me address all your doubts and questions and all those things, guys. Okay, wait later. Okay, okay, guys, y'all can always talk to me. Okay, fine, no issues. I can just always help y'all. Just y'all can talk to me in case of in case if y'all are going through any difficulties. I got some messages now also. Y'all can just talk to me. Okay, all right. And also, guys, I'll just address the questions. Okay, I just address the questions. If you all have any questions or whatever, y'all can just pop it to the Zoom chat. I'll be able to explain it. So can you share the tube through Zoom chat? Guys, the tute is not needed now, I guess. Okay, just drop me a WhatsApp text, guys. This is my number. Some people were asking the number, right? 076-180-8942. Okay, so anything you can just drop me a WhatsApp text, guys. Tute or anything, I'll be able to send you all. Okay, let me address all the question, guys. And also, guys, it's not for fun, no anything or anything, guys. I just wanted to make you all very clear. So if you all have any bonus question, if you all want to get clarified or anything, you can just drop it. I'll be able to clarify it. Okay. So is there exams weight for each chapter? Like, does the exam weight differs from each week? Yeah, guys, there are some units which they will be tested many questions. Still, there are some units they will not test much, but which is important to do another unit. Like that, there are some connected stuffs, and we'll be looking into those things. Uh, so is it compulsory to select accounting if we are selecting ICT in commerce stream? Guys, commerce stream again, accounting you all should do. ICT is the subject which you all can choose. Okay, commerce stream again, accounting you all should do definitely. Okay, any other doubt, guys? Someone has put some saying, sir, I struggle so and join the session because always your sessions are useful. Remember, sir, success is not a destination, it's a journey. Okay, noted. Sir, is it must to have a C pass? I just talked about it. Ne? So part 1 duration, I just talked about it. Guys, in case if I miss any messages, you can just send it once again, okay? Because sir, can you explain me about ACCA course if you know? Sure, I'll talk about the professional, guys. ACCA, CA, what are those things? Maybe in our next class. It will take some time, guys. I'll talk about those things also, okay? Double AT and all those things. I'll be with the content. Next class, definitely we will be starting the content. No more talks, anything, guys. Just a small introduction. We'll be going with the content in our next class for sure. Okay, sir, can you explain me about ACCA? Sure. Sir, how accurate is the exam done online compared to physical exams? Sir, how accurate is the exams done online compared to physical exams? I didn't get that. What are you referring there? So, should we pay for the tute? Not really. Okay. Okay, for the tute. How do you manage studies and extracurricular activities during A levels, especially sports? I'll talk about it and import maybe not only sports, guys. Just I'm telling for girls or anyone. Like if you all are into different part and if you all are into different things that you are, if you all are focusing on different parts of your career or anything, still you all can manage your A levels perfectly, guys. 100% you all can balance your A level with the other things, but for that one thing that should be there, guys, your classes should be online. Okay, your classes should be online. Now let me address this question. Why am I saying if you all want to manage everything with the A level perfectly, your classes should be online, Kela? Still physical classes you all can manage. Don't get me wrong that the physical class is not useful, Kela. I'm not saying. I do physical class and all those things, but I'm saying why the online class is much convenient for the one who focus on many aspects is because let's assume you all have practices. Let's say normally practices will be going up to 6:37, guys. In case if you have any practices and if you are tired of joining the class or anything, still you'll have the option to watch the record. Let's say there is a class in evening, you can't attend, you have something to do with the school or extracurriculars or anything, still you all have the option to watch the record. But if it is physical class, that is not there, guys. If you miss it, undergo. You can't just cover it again, guys. Only thing is you can get the note. You can't get the explanation or anything, right? So that problem is there. So whatever you can do, guys, but make sure on that day itself you should complete the relevant class or watch the recording and be on the right track. Or don't wait to watch the last month's recording in this month. You will lose track, guys. On that relevant day or within that week itself, try to watch the recording and you will be able to manage, guys. Okay, don't be that person who used to be only on studies. Okay, I'm not saying you all don't study, do other things. I'm saying your studies is the important. This is your priority. This is your main thing that you all should do. But still remember, there are some things that you all should focus in your life. Okay, you all should be in society, you all should be deal with people, you all should move around with people, you all should deal with different kind of things, guys, which will help your life. Okay, studies will definitely help, still you all should have that socialization also need. So for that, guys, you can't just get that through the books or anything. If you all are in the books or anything, you all will not be able to get. You should be in part of clubs and all those things. Maybe like in school there might be many clubs, in fact drama club there will be many, right? So just be a part of it, guys. Still you all will be able to manage your ales properly. Okay, so plan the days properly, plan your days properly, target your days. What are you gonna do today? What you should do before going for the bed itself? Try to recall what you are gonna do tomorrow. Try to study the things what you have already studied today. So those kind of things, slowly you will come across those things. You will learn those things, you will manage those things. With the time you will improve one by one, guys. Now don't put everything to your head. You all will be able to do things one by one, guys. So these are some information I just wanted to give you. Still we have enough time. Still we have 20 more minutes. I just wanted to talk you all and clear all your doubts, guys, because there are some many messages, guys. uh Sir, will you be having term exams? Yes, like related to your school term, we'll be having some term exams also. So is it must to do double AT? It's not a must to do. Double AT, ACCA, CIMA, or anything, it's not a must to do. It's professional qualification. A level is academic. Those things are professional. A level, O level are academic. So academic things, if you all are doing professional, is not something important. Important, it's not a must. You can do if you want to. Okay, I would recommend for you all to do rather than being just, sir, okay. Sir, do we have to pay separate amount for tubes to be delivered to us? For the delivery, you all don't want to pay. Okay, for the delivery, you all don't want to pay. Sir, can you explain me about ACCA course? Yes, I thought. Sir, do you conduct seminars? Guys, seminars maybe in the last 6 months of your exams or something. We'll be talking about seminars, okay? Uh, sir, can you tell about fast track? Okay, guys, there is a common question which goes around the people regarding doing the advanced level in 1 year. Okay, regarding doing the advanced level in 1 year. How does that work actually is, guys? Doing the advanced level in 1 year, I would say it's a good thing. Okay, just listen to this part properly. Now don't go and say, mama, look here, doing advanced level is 1 year, that and this scale. Don't go and say, just listen to what I say completely. Doing the advanced level, I'm saying what I know. Okay, I'm saying what I know, like what I feel or anything. Doing the advanced level in 1 year is a good thing, but most of the people I know who does the A level in 1 year is like let's assume you are going to do a course, let's assume you are going to fly abroad, let's assume you are going to do some kind of a course or anything. In that course, if sometimes they might ask, you need 3 years in your A level, you need 3 credit passes in your A level. Are those kind of people only mostly rush to do the A level in 1 year? Why? Because their target is not to focus on A level, their target is something else. So for that, they need their A level. So for that purpose, they used to do the A level in 1 year and go quickly. But still, there are people who used to do these things A level perfectly. Still, they used to try to do it in 1 year. The thing that when you do it in 1 year, guys, definitely it's true enough, right? The effort or the things which you can put in 2 years, if you put in 1 year, that's true enough that you can't do the maximum. The things, let's assume if you are taking 95 marks by doing in 2 years, relatively the marks which you will be getting by doing it in 1 year is low. So what I will suggest you people is, in case if you don't have any hurry, take your time. 2 years you can just take your time. Still you all are very much young. Okay, still you all are very much young. Okay, now only you all have done your O levels. Take your time properly. Take your time properly and do the A levels in 2 years itself. In case if there are any other requirement, any other needing like that, you all should complete in 1 year, still you all can go for it. But still, I would suggest, if you don't have anything like that, if you don't have any need of doing it in 1 year, if you don't have any emergency, still why rush, still you all can do, you all can do your other things also, you all can just have your life, you can just live the moment. With that, you can just do the exam also perfectly. Okay, A level kya guys, it's not very easy also. Okay, it's not very easy, it's a challenging thing. So when it comes to the commerce, it's mara challenging. Why? Because all the average students and some top students are also coming and doing the commerce stream. So it's mara challenging, guys. So have the time and just study properly, and better to do in 2 years. As I always say, in case if you have the other requirements to complete the A levels, and if they need the A level qualification, still you all can go and do it for 1 year. Okay, so that thing is there. Okay, so is it okay if I do double AT parallelly with A level? That's perfect. Okay, that's perfect. If you do parallelly double AT and A level, that will be like that. All I also did, guys. Soon after my OS, I did the double it. Along with the double it, I did A level. So before my A level, like around 1 year before I completed the double it, I'm just giving my personal experience. Okay, so just better if you do the double it also along with A level. So is it good to do course carrying with A level rather than courses? You can follow any professional courses like which is related to the A level. Okay, so will you do business studies for A level, guys? The thing is like. I'm into the accounting. I just wanted to do accounting only, guys, for the A level because of the timing issues and all those things. Okay, so there are some of my friends who used to do the advanced level business studies. So I can just DM me, so I'll be able to give their class details and all those things. You all can just go for their classes, also explore how their classes works and all those. Same thing for my class also. I'm not gonna force anyone. You should come to my class. Definitely, you should come to my class. No, that's you all are not scholarship students or anything. Now you all are matured enough to know which class is good for you all. Okay, so you all, that's it. Most of the teachers are doing free classes, right? You all can just go for that classes, explore how the class is working, how the sir is teaching, how the madam is teaching. Just you all can explore that, and you all can enroll, guys. So if you all want any detail related to the other subject, always feel free to drop me a text. I'll be able to give the details of my known teachers, my friends who used to do the classes. You all can just go for their classes also and check. So if you're okay, you can continue. Okay. So after ALS, girls going to the university, some people think that's a waste of time. What do you think about that? Guys, remember, the society might say many things, guys, like girls are not needed to go for university, girls don't need to study, girls don't need to do A level. But remember, deep down, male and female both are same, right? Male and female both are same. So the qualification, if it is important for male only, why do the female go for the school or anything? Remember, guys, as you people, as you individual who is the upcoming generation, even we, okay, every in the same basket, right? I'm just telling you people, don't think as that girls don't need to study, don't need to go university, not needed to take a good result. That is utter shit, guys. Remember, same like the boys, you guys also must excel in your studies, take good results, go for university, just do a job or anything what you like. Okay, there's no any harm or there's no any issues in that. Okay, that's completely fine. Okay, you all can just take a good resource and go for a good university. No one is gonna say anything. Okay, so what do you think about doing A level privately? uh, Simply, right, like privately or government, anything is same. It's completely A level is depend on your own effort. Okay, on your own effort only the A level resource is depending. You can go for a school or you can do it home, anything is fine, but still it depends on your effort. Okay, so make sure you put the effort to get a proper resource. Okay, so is it okay to do A level in 1 year? I addressed that question. Sir, does econo IT is important for accounting? Okay, so if there is a question econo IT, guys, I personally would say, or I will suggest you all to do econ because I did econ. Okay, because when I compare econ and IT, I felt econ is better, so I did econ. So if you all are if you are in freak of IT or anything, you can go for IT. Still, if you don't have any idea about both the subject, better to go with econ. Just a personal opinion. If you are going with the IT also, that's completely fine. I don't know about IT, but still, when it comes to econ IT, I just personally choose the econ. Okay, that's also wanted to say. And so from July, we'll be conducting classes. Will the time and days differ from one to another? I mean, will it go with no guys, the class time will be same. Okay, class time will be same. I hope it is convenient for you people. After what at night time you can just do all your works and just relax and study. Even if it is evening time, that one will be shouting, this will be shouting, mama will be doing something, dad will be doing something. That will be a problem if it is daytime or anything, guys. Now this is a convenient time where you can just focus on the content and study. Okay. Okay, so is it worth of doing ICT instead of econ? I just addressed that question. I hope you all are clear, guys. In case if you all have any further clarification, you can just talk to me. Sir, do you go to an university? I didn't go for university yet. In the process of applying. Okay, I'm just in the process of applying. Guys, there are messages coming on in which year did I do the A level? I did the A levels 2023 batch, guys, the recent batch. Okay, so you all should know who am I, right? Because many messages are here. So do you go to a university? The same thing which I was telling. In the process of applying before 2 weeks or something only we got the results actually, right? After 1 year for A level, can I do the double AT exam privately? I would say, guys, now itself start double AT and complete it before the A level 1 year. Now, if you start after 1 year of your A level, the double AT exams will be collapsed with your A level exam. Start the double AT now and complete it before 1 year of A level. That will be a good thing. So many said that double AT is the same syllabus and the same thing like A level. Is it true? Guys, remember double AT and the A level is different. Okay. A level, the content are too much. The A level, the questions they used to test is very much deep. Not like double AT. In double AT or a basic or a butter things were like only the top part they will be testing in double AT. But in A level, the questions are very much deep. It's very much different from double AT. Okay, so don't think double AT and A level is same. A level is different, double AT is different, but still the things which you are studying in double AT you will be studying in A level also. Or in double AT you will be studying only the surface part. In A level you will be studying in depth about those questions. Okay, so who about selecting one among us? ICT and business studies is also the same thing, guys. I personally selected business studies. Still, you all have the option to choose ICT also. Okay, it's differ from person to person. Now I can't give the public opinion. Select econ, don't select ICT. I can't give that comment, right, because some people who is in freak of ICT they can do the ICT. No worries at all. Still, there are some many benefits. I don't know much about them, but still there are many benefits of doing ICT related to this EXCO and all those things. Okay. So, with your experience, can you suggest me a professional course? Okay. So, when you come for the professional course, guys, you can, if you are a student who is after your O level, you can start double AT, and if you are a financially stable, you can go for ACC. Those are the options. In order to do chartered, you should complete the A level, guys. Okay. So, do you know about ABE? Guys, that question was a question which many people were asking, that ABE thing. That ABE thing, guys. I have not come across that ABE before also. It's a recent thing which I used to show some flyers and all those things which were surrounding in the groups and those things, right? That ABE thing. I'll just check on that and I'll let you all know, okay? So, is your timing permanent? Yes, guys, this timing is permanent. Guys, there's a question. So, what is HND? I didn't, just now I saw it. My screen was completely. I'll just talk about HND also. Okay. Guys, did I miss any messages? I just wanted to but explain all the things what you all have as the doubt. Okay, econ class also you can just drop me a text. I'll be able to suggest few teachers. You all can just go for their classes and check which class suits you actually. Okay, so I hope so what is your research 3 A's, guys? Okay, double AT or ACCA, which you prefer? So if you are financially stable, better to go for ACCA. Okay. uh, So some say double AT is not valuable. Is it true? For a student who have completed their O level, for a student who have completed their O level, and if you are financially also average, rather than doing only the A level, better to do double AT. That's my opinion on that. What is HND, guys? HND also I have no idea much about it, but it talks about something called higher national diploma, right? HND. So that was a kind of a thing, like along with the O level, sorry, along with the advanced level also, I guess you can do the HND. Okay, but if you are mainly focusing on the commerce stream or something, guys, better to do any professional courses that will help you all in A level also. So what is your district level ranking? My district rank was 34. Okay, Kandy district, my district rank was 34. Okay, my district rank was 34. Okay, what are the other doubts, guys, you all have? So no book for A level, guys. A level is something like this. There's only teacher's guide. Okay, in A level we have the only teacher's guide where teachers used to refer it to teach. For you all can just have your notebook, guys. And also, guys, in my class I'll be giving the notes for every notes. Okay, each and everything I'll be just giving you all notes. So no worries about the textbook or anything. From the upcoming class, remember, guys, we'll be looking into the content. Okay, I'm not gonna answer your questions and all those things. Still, we can do those things. I just wanted to explain you all these things in the initial class. So how much do you think ACCA cost and double AT cost? The double AT cost will be less than 100,000, guys. If you are doing all three stages, probably it will cost you less than 100,000. But when you are doing ACCA for an exam, you will have to spend 50,000 approximately. Okay, approximately you will be able to spend around 50,000 or something. So in level 1 4, level 2, level 3, like there are three stages where each level consists of four subjects. Along with that, there will be registration fee, there will be some other fee. All those things are there, guys, but roughly exam fee for one subject itself will cost somewhere around 50,000 approximately. It might change in future or anything, but right now at the moment, that's how the things are going on, guys. So that is also there. So y'all can just check your financial thing. Y'all can just talk to your parents. Y'all can just talk to your teachers. Okay, you can just call me anytime and ask anything what you related to or anything which you wanna know. I can just help y'all as far as I know. So if I'm doing A level in a year in 2025, should I join your 2026 class? Yes, you can join. You can join and cover the things. Okay, you can just join and cover the things in my class also. 2026 theory class you can join. Still you all will be able to cover the basics and all those things, guys. I hope you all understood everything, right? Any guys like any doubt or any clarification or anything? Okay, I just repeat again and again, guys. From next class onwards there will be a small introduction and the content. Okay, I just wanted you to be familiar with me and ask your doubts and clarify. That's the main target today. Okay, what are the benefits have when I do double AT? When you do the double AT, guys, you will have the like some kind of a basic understandings on complete part of the accounting work. It will be very helpful for you all to do the A level accounting, because in double AT almost everything is covered, like related to the ICT, management, finance, related to tax, related to audit. Everything will be covered in double AT. Like it covers a variety of areas. So is it better to do A level commerce stream in English media rather than Sinhala media? Guys, remember, I say you personally, better to go with English medium at the moment right now. It's maybe you might be in Sinhala medium or Tamil medium in O level. Still, if you are following A level, better to go with English medium, guys, because when you take chartered and all, guys, from the second level onwards, there is no Sinhala or Tamil medium. Only English medium is there. So at that moment in universities also there, that's the case, guys. After a particular level, you will have sometimes only English medium. So at the moment, you can't struggle to study English. So make sure that you all, if you all are not okay or anything, just learn the English and do the advanced level in English. Still, it's my personal opinion. If you want, you can just do in any other languages also if you prefer. So are you entering management faculty? I'm not I'm not till decided which university I'm gonna attend or like what's the faculty. There is a plan to migrate also. So those things are going on, guys. I'm not stating I'm not gonna attend universities or anything, but most probably I'll be applying, and let's see, guys, how the things works. Okay, because nothing is predictable. So most probably I'll be applying for a management faculty only. However, okay. So what's your O level results? So guys, my O level results it's 4A 4BC. Okay, not like A level. Okay, that was a. I just wanted to say you all. Okay, so just remember this is my O level result 4A 4B and a C. So, but my A-level results were 3A with a district rank of 34. Okay, so remember guys, O-level and A-level is something else, is different. Don't try to now compare and see, oh, O-level is this, A-level this. That's it. I'm saying you, your O-level results or anything that's gonna define your A-level. Okay, just don't think about anything like that. A-level, if you work hard and if you properly focus, you can change many things. Okay, so A-level is something. So how to buy textbook for A-level, guys? There's no textbook for A-level. You will have the teacher's guide only. So if you all want, I can just share the teacher's guide. Also, just drop me a text, which is not needed, guys, because in a class you all go. However, they'll be giving all the notes and those things. So is it good to memorize in A level, guys? Don't memorize anything. Just try to learn the things logically, where it will stay in your mind for a longer period. Okay. So is it good to do economic or ICT? Guys, economics or ICT? That's it. I was addressing this question from the beginning. Better to, like, I personally say, better to choose econ because I did econ. Still, there are some benefits and there are many benefits of doing ICT also. You all can just talk to your teachers and you all can join an ICT introduction session and talk about ICT. So they will be saying that. So that will be one of the advantage you will be having. Okay, related to the ICT subs. So for A level, how many hours does a one should maximum do self study? It depends from students to student. Do we need great max skills for commerce? Not needed. Okay, if you have the basic knowledge to add and subtract and deduct and multiply, that's more than enough to do the commerce stream. Okay, guys, I hope the time is up. Okay, I hope the time is up. Okay, I hope you all got an idea about how the A level is working. Okay, how the A level is working, how the subject is, how the content is, or how am I teaching, whether you all can understand. So all those things I just wanted to address with you people today. Okay, so we did only two things. Okay, we just talked about the content and just we talked about the paper structure, how those things are. Next class we will be starting off with our unit number 1, which is the 25th June. We will be doing the class, guys, so you all can just spread the message among your friends. Okay, it will also be a completely free class, and most probably on 25th I'll be sharing the YouTube live also. I can just come across also. So there will not be 100 participant issues. Okay, there were 100 participants at the beginning. Okay, so many students were messaging like that they can't join in all those things. So for them, I'll be able to provide the recording. So I hope this session was useful for you people. Okay, I hope the session was useful for you people, and I hope you all gotten some kind of an idea about what will happen, some kind of an idea about how the things will be working. And also there's a question, do we need calculator for econ? Remember guys, only for accounting you can use calculator, not for econ or business studies. Okay, so I hope you all are clear with the things what we studied today, guys. uh, in case if you have any other doubt, in case if you have any other clarification, in case if you have any other issues or anything, you all can just DM me through WhatsApp, guys. Okay, you all can just DM me through WhatsApp. And also guys, as I told, I hope you all can remember any issues related to, okay, which subject was the result? See history, guys. Okay. Okay guys, the thing what you are writing in the screen, I can't, it's not visible. I can just make you all not to write also. I just uh, wanted to see the messages completely. So my screen is full with the messages what you all are sending. Just now I saw that which subject was, see, it's history. Okay, history was the subject which I took C. Okay, not related to memorizing and can't keep things in mind. Remember guys, you all don't want to memorize anything in A level. You all can study things logically and still go for a better rank and better results. Okay, so I hope today's session was useful and maybe something which will help you all for the next 2 years and all those things. uh, okay guys, I'll give you all 1 more minute. Any doubt? Any 1 more minute quickly? So economics easier than ICT, right? I don't know. Economics I did, it was easy, but I don't know about ICT. Okay, okay, so thank you sir, it was useful. Noted. Okay, the people who, give me a second guys. Okay, okay guys, I hope the things are visible, right? Yes, yes, I did commerce for my O levels also. Okay, guys, in case if you all have any messages and anything and regarding the session or regarding the class, in case if you all got a time or if you all can just drop a WhatsApp message, I can just forward it to the group so people will know actually what's happening in our class. And I hope, guys, that today's session was very much useful for you all. Okay, I hope you all understood the things and I hope you all are okay with the class and everything. So next class we will be dealing with the content, guys. Okay, next class we will be dealing with the content and all those things. Better to have a writing book in our next class, and the students who didn't join for today's class, make sure you all watch the recording before next class. So in case if any of your friends have not joined or anything, maybe they might have a busy schedule or anything, still no worries, guys, they can check the recording. I'll be uploading this to the YouTube also. I'll put the relevant messages to the group. In case if you all are not in the group, this is my number. Okay, this is my number. You all can just drop me a WhatsApp text. Okay, this is my number. You all can just drop me a WhatsApp text, and you can just be added to the group, and you'll be able to get all the future updates and all those things through the group. Okay, through the group you will be able to get those updates. And also, guys, don't panic. Okay, don't panic at the moment regarding the advanced level. You all can do it. Okay, I hope you all have the capacity. Okay, so you all have the capacity. Please work on that, guys. Don't be demotivated or anything. It's you who should motivate yourself to go forward. So with that positive note or with that good thing, I just wanted to end the class. So we'll be meeting again June 25th once again with the content and some other information which I couldn't share today. We'll be talking about those things in our next class. So in case if any of your friends didn't join, you all can just pass the link and ask them to add to the group. And any other things you all want to clarify, you all can just drop me a WhatsApp text. And anything about the class which you failed to say, you all can just drop me a WhatsApp text so I can just forward it to the group also. Okay, so see you all, guys, till next class, which is June 25th. You all can have a perfect holiday during the festival and all those things. Enjoy that, guys. Okay, enjoy that. Live the moment, live the life, and enjoy for the maximum on that week. And we'll catch up later again in our next class. Again, it's a free class, guys, which is June 25th. So till then, guys, stay safe and study well. Recordings I'll be uploading it to the YouTube and I'll send the link. So till then, guys, stay safe and study